Hi, I'm Miss Lainie from Lainie's Learning Lane. I'm so excited to bring to you my weekly tips, tricks, and learning tools to help with homework, communication, behavioral, and emotional challenges you may be having with your child. Today I'm going to talk about when you think your child is lazy. There's a reason why children are lazy or we might think are lazy, and I'm going to explain why. I talked briefly in my past videos about different learning styles. There's an auditory learner, there's a visual learner, there's a hands-on learner, and there's a kinesthetic learner, or some kids are a little bit of each type of learner. But in general, an auditory learner, a person who learns more through their ears, tends to learn in a sequential, straight order. They learn things by lining things up, like this example. These type of learners tend to learn in a different path. If the end is be whatever the topic or the subject they're trying to learn, these types of learners might take a different path. And when these types of learners take this path, but the information is being presented in a sequential or for an auditory learner, these children tend to come across as lazy because the way the information is not being presented is not to their learning style. So for example, these people are part to whole learners. Auditory learners can follow the details and come up with an answer. These types of learners, your visual, your hands-on, and your kinesthetic learners, need to understand the whole concept or an overview of a story before they can get the details of a story. So that's why their path is a little bit more windy or different. And to a parent, this comes across as lazy. So my intention of this video is when you're asking yourself, why is my child lazy? They're just lazy. I would love for you to step back and go, there's a reason why they're not doing their work. And my guess is, which I can pretty much promise you, is the way the information is being presented is not to their learning style. And I will talk more about ways to present information to these different learning styles in my next upcoming videos. But I wanted to just give you a little bit of information about when you're feeling they're lazy. They're not consciously being lazy. It's a presentation of information which causes them to not do the work, which then comes across as lazy. So I hope this was helpful when you're looking at your child and going, they're being lazy, or giving you an understanding of what that really is about. Thank you for listening to my video. My name is Miss Lainie from lainieslearninglane.com. I have other videos on my YouTube as well as my website. I offer free workshops at the end of the month. And I wish you a great day, and I look forward to seeing you, chatting with you next week.
Copyright 2012, Lainie's Learning Lane, a California limited liability company. All rights are reserved. Reproduction of the contents of this DVD of any form is prohibited. This DVD may not be copied or shared for individual or third-party use without the express consent of Lainie's Learning Center. All contents and material of this DVD are property of Lainie's Learning Lane.